Well, different people have a different idea about this picture. I have my own idea. I would like to say that what can I see on this picture? I see that picture is the different type of planet. This Mainly this picture provide the solar systems. Mercury is the lowest, and Earth is the medium size, and Venus is the red color and the small sized, and Mars is the red color, and Jupiter is the biggest sized. Saturn is the ring size. And conclude, and my opinion to Urbanians and Neptune is the different color is blue and white. This picture give me the lot of information. Thank you so much for your kind information.